Hi, hello, and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. Have you ever wanted to work with recycled aluminum sheets from soda cans for your DIY project? And you got frustrated because the aluminum did not behave like you wanted? So in this case, you should really watch how to turn soda cans into flat, shiny sheets of aluminum. And thereafter I will show you how to make these beautiful stars. And here is what you need: a soda can, a piece of plywood, and an X-Acto knife. Hold the knife at a level plane and then rotate the can around to make a groove into the can. Along the groove, apply a little bit of pressure with your fingernail. By working your way around the can, the top easily falls off. The next step then is to cut the soda can in half by using scissors. And again, the soda can keeps its form, does not behave like you want. So here comes a trick. Use an electric iron to flatten your soda cans. Choose the maximum heat on your iron. On mine it's indicated linen. Then take an old newspaper as a support. And in addition, I have installed here a watch so you can see how long it takes to flatten the soda can. So we start at 11 with our ironing process. Equally distribute the heat over the aluminum foil. And after about a minute, we check the first time the result. Sheet is not completely flat yet, so we give it another minute. So this is the check after 2 minutes, and the result is quite good. Pay attention, the aluminum foil is quite hot. And now we used the iron the third time to make it 3 minutes. And here you have it, a completely flat sheet of aluminium made from a recycled soda can, ready for your DIY project. And now you can remove the ink. I already posted a video how to do this, just follow the link in the upper right corner. And if you need ideas what to make with your new aluminum sheets, here is a tip how to make a star. Use the reverse side of the blade to make a small groove into the star, and then bend with pliers along the groove to form the final star. And this is already the final product, and you can make it in different shapes and sizes. And now you have the possibility to go through all your paper craft books and check for ideas that you can do with your new aluminum sheets. Stay creative and please subscribe to my channel.